It's a beautiful 7:10 a.m. morning. So I'm outside because I'm going to walk with my adorable dog named Hannah.
Tell me what you want now, baby. I don't know how much that I can take. Tell me what you want now, baby. Don't make no promises. You know that you could keep. Tell me what you want now.
We walk at the streets near the Nam Chong Park. So here we go. We're going to cross the street. Yes, Hannah. Beautiful dog. He's already tired. Cool. After an hour of walking, so here we go inside the Nam Chong Park to fetch our Lola. She's having fun, enjoying the Zumba session. So me and Hannah is in the Hirer. So it's called Duyan in Philippines. So I only carry Hannah because dogs are not allowed inside the park, so I have to carry Hannah. While we are waiting for our Lola to finish her exercise, so because she don't know how to go home herself. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you in our next video. Bye bye.